Hello everyone, welcome back to online teaching of science lecture. In previous session, we learned about the cancer. Cancer means uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as a cancer. We seen the reasons of the cancer. Which are the reasons? Consumption of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism, lack of fiber content, excessive consumption of junk food, and heredity also one may reasons are there. Then symptoms of the cancer are chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swallowing, incurable scare, and inflammation, lumps in breast, and unexplained weight loss. We seen and modern diagnostics and treatment of the cancer also. Which are the techniques? CT scan, MRI scan, mammography, biopsy, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and robotic and laparoscopic surgery. So we are taking these all about the cancer. Now our today's topic is heart diseases. Heart diseases is also example of the non-infectious diseases. Heart diseases means efficiency of the heart decreases due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles. Due to this, heart has to perform more work that leads to stress on it. This may cause heart attack. If someone has heart attack, immediate consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary. Means when the heart decrease the blood supply, and so thereby oxygen is also decreased in your body and nutrition supply to the heart muscle is there. When decreased blood supply, oxygen and nutrient supply will be decreased, that time heart has to perform more work, and so that's why stress on the heart, and this may cause the heart attack. And when if someone has heart attack, you immediate consultation of the doctor because treatment is very necessary. Now we will see the symptoms of the heart diseases. First one, severe chest pain. Severe means very serious, causing great pain, and severe chest pain is the most common heart problem. Second symptom of the heart disease is pain in shoulder, neck and arms. When heart disease problem is there, that time paining in the shoulder, neck and arm. Okay. Next symptoms is the cramps in hand. Cramps in hand means a sudden painful tightening in a muscle of the hand. Uneasiness. When heart problem is there, they feeling uneasiness, means not easy in body or mind. That time you are uncomfortable and disturbed in your body. Tremors. In science language, tremors means shaking in a body. When heart problem is there, that time they feeling tremors. Usually from physical weakness and emotional stress, that time also you feel that as like a tremors, means shaking in a body. One should not ignore these symptoms. Which symptoms not ignore? Severe chest pain, pain in shoulder, neck and arms, cramps in hand, uneasiness and tremors. Now we will see the reasons of heart attack. Smoking, alcoholism. Smoking and alcoholism, they are not good habits because they are not good for our health. So we should avoid smoking and consumption of alcohol because they are dangerous for our health. Next one, diabetes. You know that diabetes, if insulin low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled, and this disorder is called as diabetes. And when diabetic patient is there, heart attack will chances more for that patient. Hypertension. Hypertension, it is also called high blood pressure, means high BP. Hypertension can lead to severe health complication and increase the risk of heart diseases. Obesity. Obesity means overweight, and obesity is a common problem in our United States. Obesity and overweight are linked to several factors that increases one risk for heart failure. Lack of physical exercise. Lack of physical exercise means not getting enough physical activity. Lack of physical activity has clearly been shown to be risk factor for heart disease and greater risk of developing high blood pressure also. So everybody do physical exercise every time. Heredity. Heredity means characteristics are passing from the genes of parent to a child. Characteristics and diseases also pass from the genes of a parent to a child. Genetic factors likely play some role in high BP, diabetes and heart disease. Mental stress. It is a feeling of emotional and physical tension, and this stress for a long time stress. Mental stress increases the risk of heart diseases. Anger. Anger means to become angry or a strong feeling being upset. Angry person has a slightly higher risk of having chest pain and it causes heart disease. So don't be angry every time. Anxiety. Anxiety means a feeling of worry, nervousness or unease about something with an uncertain outcome. And people with anxiety disorders may have an increased risk of developing heart diseases due to low heart rate variability. In this picture also you seen that girl thinking at a time many things are there, that is the anxiety.